Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 24th to the 30th. We're looking at doing paper deals in store. We're looking at doing paper deals curbside. I know that this video specifically is important to a lot of you, along with a lot of families that are trying to stock up. Kind of an unpredictable nature with paper right now where stores are actually putting limits on us. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it. And discuss the best deals. So the first couple that we're looking at are for a curbside pickup, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and that's how you do the curbside pickup through the app. And now, if your store has limits, you might have to get creative as well, and I've even faced limits too in the app. Now, shopping curbside, we can always throw in extra little codes to get 15% off. So just to note a couple of these you might want to throw in to some of these deals if you can get them to work. WAG 10 is always a good standby, but just to throw that on the back burner. If you guys could do me a huge favor before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do is look at two curbside deals, meaning we're ordering this stuff through the app. You're going to need this friend loaded, which is the $1.50 off of one, which is a Walgreens coupon. If you used it last week, you just go back into your digital coupons folder under the subtitle household, and it should be itemized to clip it again. And yes, you need to load it a second time. Alternatively, just look up a toilet paper or paper towel and manually load it under the item, and you just press the plus sign. So for this first transaction, we're looking to grab 7 of either the Walgreens toilet papers or the paper towel. With the toilet paper, there is now a limit around here of up to 3. And this wasn't the case a couple weeks back, but they've started to put limits on the paper products. I'm thinking it must be a warehouse issue where they don't have as much as they're at head office. Well, I mean, why else would they put limits? So I grabbed 3 of the toilet paper, very similar to Angel Soft, if you are curious, like what's it close to? And then we're going to throw in 4 of the paper towels for $20. And a lot of you that are like, hey, what is this similar to? I'm thinking it's very similar to like a Sparkle paper towel. And I wouldn't be surprised if both are made like Sparkle and Angel Soft. What is that? A Georgia Pacific brand? If it's made in the same factory, because it's very similar. Good quality too. I don't mind it whatsoever. Okay, so now I have that $1.50 Walgreens coupon times 7, so that's $10.50 melting off right there. And then in concert, that code MyWAG20, an additional $4.90 coming off. So you know how I'm like, curbside, $4.90, guys, $4.90. Like that should be enough that you put this order in. And if you are putting this order in because it is 7 units of paper, get to your store ASAP to pick it up, because that will take a lot of the photo counter or like the area that they keep these curbside orders. So just to be courteous to your store, I would go like right away to get it. Right, so the overall total here is $35, and now we have $15.40 melting off with the $1.50 Walgreens coupon and that coupon code that I showed you. Plus we have a little bit of tax. So the total here is $20.78. If you possibly have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it. Use it, and you have 7 beautiful units of paper. I think this is a smart deal. If your store is out of stock of all these items, may I suggest Wednesday, Thursday, or even Saturday putting an order in. They might have a restock. And don't be shy to ask a manager or a cashier that you know, when is truck day, because they might be able to give you a hint of when the paper will be showing up again. Deal number 2, and this one is done again curbside. So for this one, we are grabbing 3 of these packs of the Kleenex facial tissue. So it's basically 3 boxes of tissue stacked. Boom. So $15, not a bad little price point. And a lot of us really prefer Kleenex or Puffs. So this week we're going with the Kleenex. And the third one will bring up $5, which is really nice. The next item that we're going to be tossing into the basket is a quilted northern for $6.99. Now, there is a dollar digital coupon that I have on my account. I can't show you guys a visual of it. It's lost in my coupons folder, but it's coming out at checkout. And the new app update, it does that where it doesn't show you every digital coupon, but it's there. So just to show you guys, the dollar for the Quilted Northern is melting off. And then if you use the code WAG10 in Old Faithful, an additional $2.10. And that $2.10 is why doing these deals curbside is so much better than just going in store, because you're saving, like, anytime you can save $2, I think that's winning, especially in my book, to try to save however you can. So just to show you guys, the overall total of this is $21.99, $2.10. We have a little bit of tax and a dollar digital coupon. Your pickup is always free with curbside pickup, $20.08. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 8 cents and call this a very smart basket. I just think it's smart, and especially with back to school, I know a lot of parents are trying to stock up on Kleenex, so I think this is just a really good deal. Final deal that we're looking at is in store, and we're grabbing 2 packs of the 9 = 36 of the Angel Soft. We have a 50-cent and a dollar digital coupons that you're going to load for this. $3 register reward when you buy 2. The $3 register reward when you buy 2 is in store only, so you have to go in store for this one. It's not negotiable. And then just to show you, it's again one of these things that I have the coupons, but I can't actually show you what they look like. It's $1.50 of manufacturers, and they're itemized right under the item, so I know I have them. So in store, we're grabbing 2 of these 9 packs of the Angel Soft for $13.98, subtracting $1.50 in digital coupons. So you'll pay $12.48, get back a $3 register reward for buying 2. It makes it $9.48 for the 2, or $4.74 per pack of 9. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you were going to throw this into a booster deal, $13.98 of a $50 basket, I mean, that's a huge chunk of it if you want to look at it that way. But this is a very good deal. And these Angel Soft packs, for whatever reason, they last a really long time. My husband and I are still using one of the 16 packs we opened up last month, and we're still going strong with that. Because they last a really, really long time. So good luck with these paper deals this week. I would definitely stock up, especially when they have limits on us. I just wonder how much is left at the warehouse, and people are really buying this stuff off the shelves, just regular shoppers. I've noticed the shelves around me. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.